Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is SEK. I wanted to bring you guys another video on my new Barbie panel, and I'm calling this one the Remix Barbie. All right, you guys, if you have been tuning into my channel, you know I have been on a binge with my crafts, you guys, and I decided to do another Barbie, and I did a remix with this one, you guys. Y'all see the difference in here? All right, family, I did make a mistake, and I shot out a video with the old Barbie thinking it was the new Barbie, which is the remix Barbie that's right here. So I will be fixing that on both of my channels, which is Homesteading with SEK and also Crazy Quilting Crafts with SEK. So I will be fixing that, you guys, and I'm sorry for the confusion, but this is the remix Barbie. And as you can see, the difference in this Barbie is I use the pink polka dots, which are the smaller polka dots, you guys. So let's come in a little bit closer so you can see. And remember, I told you guys on the first Barbie one panel that I did, it had that smaller inner border already on the panel. So I added the pink polka dots, but I went with the smaller polka dots instead of the big polka dots. And you guys, look what I was able to conquer. I did my first cornerstone quilt top. You guys, I am so proud of myself when it comes to these cornerstones, because I had to figure out, how do I get these cornerstones on here? So what I did was I added my left and my right panel. I mean, not panel, my left and my right border. And then my top and my bottom border, I did those two separate. So I created the cornerstones first. Then I added both of those, the top and the bottom, to my left and my right side. Now, the most challenging part, I might have did it out of order. So, Queen Mother, Auntie Ellen, I forgot how to do the cornerstones the right way. So if I did it the wrong way, you could correct me. But I was able to get these points in there and get them lined up correctly. I'm so proud of my connections over here. As you can see, if you are a quilting police, and I know you guys is out there, I was able to get those points connected. Now, this one over here was just a little bit off, but overall, even at my bottom, I was able to get my points very, very, very close on this one as well. Just a hair difference, or hair off, or even not even a quarter inch off. So that was the difference in this quilt top compared to the first one that I did. And again, I'm so proud of how this color coordination, how all the colors just flowed really nicely together. Not to say that the other one didn't, but remember, I told y'all my intentions was to use the pink polka dot one, like this one, with the bigger polka dots on the outer border. So you can actually say that this has 3 borders. You got your inner, your outer, and your outer. So this actually wound up being about the size of 80 by 80. You guys know I'm not good with taking measurements, but I did with this one because it is huge. And you can see, I'll try to back up as much as possible how big this one is. So this one would actually be perfect for a twin size, and it will lay on a full, but it won't have as much drape as it possibly could on, you know, your left and your right side. So y'all already know, when I learn something, I'll binge on it until I get tired of it. So I will be definitely looking forward to doing more of the Barbie panels and revamping them to where they all are looking different compared to the first one. So I'm already on a hunt to look for different panels and also different borders that will actually match the Barbie. So I know there's plenty of Barbie fabrics out there that I can find. But if you guys are definitely familiar with the Barbie panels, or y'all have a link, y'all can suggest, but I'm sure I'll be able to find more of the Barbie fabric. Now, when it comes to this Barbie and Paris, my goodness, I just love this whole theme of Barbie because she looks like she's in Paris. So this is why I decided to use the Paris border again. And I still have a lot of this beautiful fabric, which I'm going to try to find this probably in different glitters. They may be out there. They may have pink and gold, or who knows, just different colors. But I definitely want to find this fabric again. And what I'm going to do is check my salvage edge, because I usually save my salvage edges so that I can figure out if they do have this fabric in different colors. But that might be a good idea to even try to create a fabric like that with different colors in it. But I think this is just stunning. I just love her. So you guys, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know how should I try to revamp this again. Maybe with pink cornerstones the next time. I think that would be pretty cool. I think I'm probably going out with the black polka dot to make another border, and then continue outward with the Paris theme again. But I think this would be nice if we did pink, then we did the polka dot, but then we'll have to figure out what would the cornerstone be, which it actually could be the big pink dot blocks as far as cornerstones. That would be good if we did the pink ones as the cornerstones, meaning the big dots, not the small dots. I think that would be nice too. So let's see. Yeah, I think that would be nice. It would. Yep. That might work. Or even a thinner pink, then the maybe black, and then yeah, I think that'll work, you guys. So definitely drop me a line, give me some suggestions on how I should remix this again. Oh my goodness, I just love the way this turned out. And again, I think I said the size. This is approximately 80 by 80. So this is probably, I would say, maybe about 5 inches bigger than the other one. I will have to measure the other one just to double check on that. But I already know this is bigger. So again, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification button. And also, you guys, if I am confusing some of you guys, I'm sorry about that. But y'all all know that I have 2 channels by now: Homesteading with Essie Coupoir, and then Crazy Quilting Crafts with SEK. So if you guys hear me say, oh, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK, that's because when I started my channel, it consisted of sewing and crafting as well. So I figured, why not share on both of my platforms until I get ready to start doing my tutorials on the Crazy Quilting Crafts with SEK. So that's why I'm sharing over here, and I'm sharing on my other page. So I hope you guys are getting that. I think I have been putting my links in for both channels, so you guys can tune in if you are coming from the Crazy Quilting Crafts. You could come over to Homesteading with SEK, because I'm about to get out in that garden, and also vice versa. So I hope you guys are getting that, and I do apologize for any confusion, but I will be fading out when it comes to the crafting on Homesteading with SEK, because it's about time to get out in that yard, and I got a lot of fun things lined up for you guys for this coming growing season. All right, family? So I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment below on how I should remix this again, because SCB blocking, I be blocking. All right, family, see you guys on the next video. Peace.